Hi guys. Hey, I just got this 12 by 12 inch sheet of paper from Hobby Lobby today, and it was in the scrapbook paper aisle. They were on sale for 50% off, and I think I'm going to show you how to make a Zine out of this kind of heavier weight paper. And I like that it's colored on both sides. I think that's gonna be great. And I'm always trying to cover up that white side of the scrapbook paper. So we're just gonna fold it in half. Okay, little tent, just fold it in half. Your 12 by 12, easy. Okay. And then we're gonna fold it in half again. Simple, simple. And then we're gonna fold it in half again. Okay. And it's always a good idea to fold these things back on themselves, get a really good score in them. You know, I fold them in all directions and get them really folding up good. Helps in the end. Okay, so this is what you got. Got this easy peasy, right? Guess I didn't fold that one twice. Okay, so there you have it. Now we're gonna open it up and fold it this direction. Okay, we have it all unfolded. Okay, you see we have 8 sections. Okay, just gonna fold it up like this. I'm gonna cut down this, right down this fold in the center, right down to the next fold, okay? And then we're going to go back, fold it the other direction, bring it together. And there you have it, just a teeny tiny little book. Okay, cool. The next step would be to get out some, I use rubber cement. You can use whatever glue that you like. I know some people don't like the smell of it. But I like that it doesn't wrinkle your paper. I don't know if many of you have used this in crafting much. It does have an odor, and you may not like the odor. I used it when I worked in printing a lot. It's what we grew up on. So just want to make sure this center part is glued. And then we can just fold it up. And then, oops, we don't want to keep that glued. We want to glue that to the other. Oh, hurry. Glue, it dries really fast. Look at that. Okay, and then glue those together like that. Okay, that was really quick. So you can see, brought it together, closed it up, and then burnished it down. Get a nice good glue to that. It dries really fast, the rubber cement does. It just does. And that's why I like using it. And it does last for a very long time. It'll last as long as you want to keep this hanging around your house, I'm sure. So, not known it to peel up. Okay, so there you have like a little 8-page book, or 4 spreads, a cover, and an inside. Okay, really cute. Do whatever you want with it. All right, talk to you later. Subscribe, like my video.